Welcome back to Monster Truck Classics, and we are going to be looking at the Amazing Spider-Man from Series 2 of the Spin Master Monster Jam line. And before I do that, I'm going to bring in this vehicle of Spider-Man, the die cast from the Hot Wheels Monster Truck line. And this is what Spider-Man used to look like. At least you can see the body. Couple spiders and stuff like that down there in the blue. Coming up, the name of the truck and webbing in the red. And then the eyes on the front of the truck. And then we have Spider-Man crawling down on the top of the truck. It does say Spider-Man and it has a spider logo on the back there. And there's Spider-Man on top of the truck there on the roof. And so, yeah, this was a pretty cool design of Spider-Man. Here we are now, 2024, with this Spider-Man. And this is the back of the package. It comes with an Amazing Spider-Man flag and the other trucks in this series. So here we go. Let's go ahead and unbox it. Here is the flag. It says the Amazing Spider-Man. Let's go on to the truck itself now. We get the BKT logos on the tires, red wheels, a red roll cage, and a blue chassis. And it's kind of a different kind of a blue chassis. I don't know if I have ever seen anything close like it from before. But let's go ahead, start back here. It has it says the Amazing Spider-Man, has the Monster Jam logo. The eyes are down here, kind of around the wheel well in the front of the truck. In the front, now it has a little spider symbol right there. And you can see some detailing on the truck itself, but it does kind of look like the clothing that Spider-Man would wear. On to the other side, the other eye on that side, and coming around, and so you can see this flare that they do on the back of the wheel well. And it's very cool design for Spider-Man, and then a big spider on top of the truck in the blue line going down the truck to the back, or maybe it's going from the back to the front. It's hard to make out, to know which way that they want it to go. But back here then we get a little Spider-Man symbol back there. With the other Marvel trucks, it was kind of like from the front to the back was like kind of the head of the person going back to the legs. So just the outfit and stuff like that. So I believe this is the same way that they are doing this one, Spider-Man. Again, up top, just a lot of detail with the color design, the printing design of what Spider-Man wears. Should snap in. So there we have the flag on the Amazing Spider-Man Monster Jam truck. So thank you for tuning in. Hopefully you enjoyed this unboxing.